Quick man get the beat, rush match, just bitch, liquor dance all clean up.
Blessed love and greetings all of my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, line and line. I speak up on myself. I don't know. I hope all is well. I am put you on another vlog. Big up on myself. Anyone that will love East, West, North, South. I say the whole world. So I say everybody on the platform. Big up. Yeah, man, don't forget to like and share the content and follow me on all of those social media platforms. My TikTok, my Twitter, and I mean YouTube, Instagram. So I say, yes, man, big up on yourself. Support is highly appreciated. See me? No more viewers and subscribers coming up in this vlog here. I don't see the title. I say Killer throw 2 big stone for Ishawna. Big up Ishawna, big up Killer. I say we go to hear what go on. We also have Real Askel. And I mean Jahmiel in town, Real Askel on the show. Yes, what I say. Greatness. This Saturday 6. You see me? We also have a live look free performance from Askel, short and spicy. You see me? Yes. We also have Stamma kid, a member of the Warning crew. Birthday party tomorrow, Friday the 5th. You don't know one part of Rvsh with no cross, so you can go support him. So I'm going to see what going on. And I'll go snippet from the artist. As I say, yes, my viewers and subscribers, I don't go nowhere. Yeah, man, we are forward back. See? Yeah, man. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself. I don't know, when you can go check out the visuals they're seeing. Yes, man, lion in the jungle. Yes, what I say? Yes, man, let me know nothing about it. See? Yes, man, and big up on yourself. Give thanks for the support. Yes, what I say? No joke. No, my viewers and subscribers, let's get into it. Come on, I want to hear about the killer Ishawna, I know, Lord. Yeah, man. Yo, big up the killer. Yes, what I say? Big up Ishawna again. But anyway, you don't know, tomorrow a Stamma kid birthday. Big up Stamma kid. Yes, what I say, tomorrow and birthday, Askel promotion. Yeah, I'm celebrating birthdays in. So, this is going on. Yeah, man, Askel promotions, Roadblock, Stamma Kids birthday bash, yellow and white at the dress code, Friday the 3rd of August, or tomorrow that. You see what I say? Yes, man, so just roll out and give the artist the support. Yes, man, you don't know the location, you don't know a Rvsh where no cross. Yeah, man, the club called Hatch Night Club, saying SE146PP. So just roll out. As I say, roadblock. You don't know the road I go block. Yes, man, big up down crazy same way. Saying, yes, my viewers and subscribers. Now, my viewers and subscribers, I want to take time out to big up the Esland team. You know what I mean? The Esland promotion. You don't know them bring Jahmiel forward in town. Yes, I say, on a tour, and you don't know on the 6th, he might go there to London. Yes, I say. Yes, man, I'm about to London. I don't know the 6th this Saturday forward in. So all of the Jahmiel fans them roll out. As I say, yes, man, you also have IAP on the bill, you have Rvsh on the bill, Ishawna and Real Askel the winning boss. So all of the fans them of the artists them gonna roll out. Trust me, that it's gonna be a good look, it's gonna be full enjoyment. Yes, what I say. Nothing but enjoyment, that's it. So just roll out. Big up Esland team. So now my viewers and subscribers, watch a performance from Askel the winning boss, and this is what you're gonna get. Yes, what I say, on the night of the event. Zine, yeah, man.
The band man is like people. I can ask you up like themselves, BG and the birthday, being flexible. Alright, watch how we deal with it, because you know about this setup. And the winning boss, no? So we're gonna shut it like Bobby, you happy, alright? See? Watch how we started. Shut! Boy, because pension. Mexican bad news cartel. Poor pricing boy, so go ahead. Rest in peace and swell. Everybody says, boy, because pension. Mexican bad news cartel. Poor pricing boy, so go ahead. Listen, rest in peace and swell. Watch it. Make like rise and squeeze. And a bump in a face for your girl. Watch your face like highly coffee. Come on, what's this out of you? Come on, when they say shell, no one say shell. But right now, alright, but the new song, get to sleep. That's not big shell. That's not big shell. Mexican Badness Cartel. 4-5 cent more soul go ahead. Rest in peace as well. What my confidential? Mexican Badness Cartel. 4-5 cent more soul go ahead. Rest in peace as well.
Shell, Mexican Cartel. 4-5 cent boy go a hell. Boy, that one sound like a hit, and no lie me I tell. Yes man, that is real Askel. Yes, you have some viewers and subscribers, bad artists. I hear the reaction, I say the reaction them get from the fans, the audience them. Yes, I say, so you can tell say song bad. People have gravitate to the song and them listen to the words. Yes, I say, yes, real Askel are the winning boss. The man saying winning, slap them for 6 in the first innings. Full of metaphors and similes. That with real Askel and them songs them. Yes, I say my viewers and subscribers. But anyway, if you don't want to see real Askel in action, just roll out Saturday at the show. You see me say the Jahmiel show. See? Big up Jahmiel, big up the Eslan team, big up Team Flexi, big up everybody. You see me say Rvsh, IRP, everybody got there. You see me say Yashamba. You see me say yes man, so a greatness. Now my viewers and subscribers, let's turn on the hot topic now with the killer, the general. Now my viewers and subscribers, the general Grung Godzilla Bounty Killer preview a song on the Instagram named Banger. I mean I like the words them, listening to the words them sound like an Ishawna and a clap off because there's no other female in a feud with the killer. And the words I remember saying at the song, you see me I say dancehall mattress and all of them sitting there. You see me I say yes, you know Ishawna this says she dear killer for going to the studio and she not answer K Queens them. Killer she want. You see me I say this, you see me I say yes. So killer come like him couldn't hold it no more and going to the studio because I must say, yo, that girl go like she have no secret for money. You see me I say? So we're gonna run through the song right now, quick and fast. We're gonna hear what going on.
Link up the banger there, Ibana. Me link up the banger there, Ibana. Boom. On a phone me a talk when you hear me link up the banger there, banger. Link up the banger there, banger. Link up the banger there, Ibana. Boom. On a Stamma me a talk when you hear me link up the banger there.
Yo, me not like the killer and attack this mother mean cross. You know what killer delivery that. You see me I say, and the rhythm so like a choppy rhythm and killer say, yo, link up the banger them. On the phone him attack when they hear him say banger. You see me? And a scammer hear him attack when they hear him say banger. How could I hear him attack? Alright.
Truthfully, them nothing won't bring no food to me. Cause that I easily food for me. When me say closet full of shows to me.
Viewers and subscribers, the killer make Ishawna know. So if you want to war with the warlord, oh lord, the man said truthfully, yes, them should try bring the food to me. Because that easily food for me. When me say, cause it full of shoes to me. You see me I say, the man make Ishawna know. So if you want to war with me, yeah, easy wipe out your baby pops. You see me I say, yeah man.
I don't like our guests or people. Better get a cup of care, take a lean up. Don't smile with man, get the teeth brush. Mattress, bitch, liquor dance, all clean up. Aggressively.
Some of viewers and subscribers following from the last bar of the first four chorus. See? The man say, cause it full of shoes to me. Don't check and say a Nike or Reebok. I guess a couple K, get your lean up. Rifle make Ishawna get lean her up. You see what I say? Yes man. Don't smile with man, get your teeth brush. All mattress, dancehall, clean up. You saw the man deal with Ishawna, the man say, yo, Ishawna dancehall, clean up, all mattress. Well, that means a beer man run. I don't want to say it, you know, because I don't know. I say no violence against women still, but why the killer go hard still. The only way the killer could have got the general could have got badness and style her up, all mattress. You see me I say, and bring badness to her. Because we couldn't go no other way if you go trace like the girl. Killer not trace like girl, you're mad. Viewers, we've come to the end of this snippet review. Big up Bounty Killer, big up Ishawna. Viewers and subscribers, Kings and Queens and Lioness. Let me know if Ishawna will respond because Ishawna have lived up to her word, you know, because remember she said she dear killer for going to the studio. Now the killer done so, let's see what she's gonna do. Let's see if she's gonna reply, you know, we're there for review. And a lie, as I say, yes, but I lie for another vlog. Big up on yourself, I'm out. Not another word out of my mouth. As I say, don't forget to like and share the content. And I don't know, big up on yourself. Zane, give thanks for the support. Yeah, man.
Thanks for watching Lionfoot TV.